Hello, boys and girls. Today we are going to check our understanding in Rindy. The page is 31, reading lesson number 2. Okay, remember the story about the ferret? Okay, yes. Apollo and me is the part number 1. And the ferret thought that the moon being made of cheese. Yes? Excellent. Okay, we are going to check our understanding. Okay, instructions. Read the sentences. Okay, then fill in the blanks with the words from the word bank. Okay, here we have orbital, lunar module, blue cheese, Neil, rodent, cheese, Apollo 2, command module, Mike and Boss. Okay, here we are going to start. Okay, the story number 1. There was a rumor in the rodent community about the moon being made of cheese. Okay, number 2. The 3 astronauts who were going to the moon were, okay, Neil, okay, Buzz, and Mike. Number 3, the spaceship going to the moon was called Apollo 2. Okay. Number 4, the little ferret thought the moon was made of cheese. Number 5, listen, number 5, the, okay, lunar module, okay, eagle detect from the command module, okay, Columbia to land on the lunar surface. Okay, number 6, Mike, okay, Mike stayed on the Columbia and orbited the moon. Okay, you did a great job. Okay, now self-assessment. Okay, read the questions. Think about them, then write your answers on the lines. This is yours. Okay, number 1. Something I already knew about the space travel was, okay, maybe that the moon was not made of cheese. Okay, new things I learned about space travel are, okay, this is yours. Number 3, things I would like to learn about how outer space are. Okay, write something interesting here. Okay, and if you have any questions, let me know by email or by platform. Okay, and remember, don't worry, be happy. Have a nice day. Goodbye.